Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Freshpet. This is ticker FRPT. Now, as you can see here in late February, Freshpet had earnings and the market liked it. A 300% surprise on their earnings, and that sent the stock up, and it has been holding that gap, actually, which is good to see. You want to see stocks gap up after earnings. I mean, that would be ideal. But the most important thing, in my opinion, is being able to hold that gap to the upside. So as long as this earnings gap doesn't fill to the downside, then ideally the stock is still remaining in a strong uptrend. So that's one signal to look for as you're scanning through charts. Now, if I zoom in here a little bit, we can see that Freshpet has been holding up in and around this orange line. That's the 8-day exponential period moving average. In fact, it has rarely closed under the 8-day since the end of February, since the earnings report. So that tells me that there's a constant bid in this stock, and fund managers and whoever, retail traders, are probably just trying to get some exposure here as a potential next positive earnings play, which doesn't happen until the end of April. So I see a nice fresh base being built here on Freshpet. And what I want to see as a swing trader is a move above 117. You can see I have a resistance level just under 117 right now, and I think it makes sense to watch for a strong move above 117 coming on higher than average volume. Now, you could definitely get a small position, one or two shares as a placeholder in and around the 8-day exponential. And as long as it kind of stays within this price zone, I think you're okay. But in terms of adding to a position and swinging long, I think you'll want to wait for that strong move through 117 here on Freshpet. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see the full list, be sure and check us out. Take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.